What's up guys, Dr. Aaron McElhinney with Revival Performance Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to show you guys an easy exercise to stretch the front of your hip out, your hip flexors and your quad after you've been in crutches or you're having your knee bent for a long time, and you're just going to be laying on your side here. So we call it a sideline glute sets or sideline hip flexor stretch. So you're going to be here. This bottom leg can be bent if you want. It doesn't really matter what the bottom one's doing. This top leg's the one that you're going to be stretching. So you're just going to straighten that leg out to get that knee kind of behind your bottom or in line with your bottom and your body here. Keep a little tension in your core so that you're not just arching your back like this. You're keeping some tension here, like your butt's a little tucked. Having that leg straight, and then in this position, now that you're a little straight here, you're just squeezing your butt. So when you squeeze your butt, it's gonna tilt your tail, tilt your pelvis, like rotating it this way, and that's gonna stretch the front of your hip and the front of your hip flexors right here. Hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then give yourself a little rest. Then squeeze your butt again, hold that stretch for a couple seconds, and then give yourself a little rest. If you're not feeling it at this point, let that leg go back a little further. So the further back it is, the more you're gonna feel that pull. So I feel it a little bit more there. So pull it back a little bit. So you can go to whatever you feel comfortable where you can feel that pull. If you're still not feeling it, you're gonna get a little bit more pull with that knee bent. If there's too much tension on the knee, you can put your other leg back. So your leg is kind of on the foot of the other side, so it's not pulling down like this. So it's in more of a aligned position here. So it's not adducted across your body like that. So it's right here, straight there, knees bent, and knee is behind your butt. Squeeze the butt, you feel that pull in the front of the thigh. So again, starting out just like this, then your leg straight, then you bring it back, and then you bend your knee is the progression to get a little bit more of that pull. Squeezing the glutes for a few seconds, then giving it a little rest. That's just gonna really loosen up the front of the hip, front of the quad, to get to that more hip extension, which you lose a lot of times after being in crutches or having your knee bent for a while, or your hip bent. So do the squat amount, have fun.